Just what I need. A bat in my belfry. Hold on, I'm coming. Hello?
Mr. Cobblepot? Veronica Vreeland here.
Veronica Vreeland? The Veronica Vreeland?
Yes, and I'm sure there's only one Oswald Chesterfield Cobblepot. I've so wanted to meet you.
You have?
Are you free for dinner tomorrow? 7-ish? At Angelo's? They do a darling calamari.
Oh, certainement, my dear. I'll see you there. And get this. Then I said, but Warden, those aren't my pants.
Oh, Ozzy, you are such a rogue.
Ah, si, signor. A table for two?
Is that who I think it is?
Come along, Binky. We've already been robbed once this year.
Signore, aspetta.
Such an enchanting evening. But tell me, my dear, what are you hatching?
Whatever do you mean?
There's more to our encounter than meets my eagle eye, isn't there?
Why, Oswald, how could you think such a thing? I've always been captivated by your rapacious wit. Not to mention that fine Roman nose.
Naturally. Come, let us fly, my dove. Garçon, the check, if you please.
With respect, signor, the management offers the meals with his compliments, if you will just leave.
They seem to know you quite well. Have you eaten here before?
I've been known to stop by for a quick carry-out.
Hey, I smell money.
By the by, Ozzy, in 2 days, I'm throwing a small do. Intimate almost. Just 100 or so of my dearest friends.
I'd be delighted. You are inviting me, aren't you?
Yes!
Okay. You know the drill, fatso. Wallet, jewels, cough 'em up.
You insolent curs. Don't you know who I am?
Not with that ugly mask you're wearing.
Take 'em, boys.
En garde! That's too fine a collar for a mongrel like you.
Come on. You rotten.
I knew you couldn't stay clean for more than one day.
Let him go. He didn't do anything. It was those brutes.
He wasn't with them?
That's right, you vulgar vigilante. In my day, I associated with a much higher class of riffraff.
I'm so sorry, Ozzy.
As long as you weren't bruised, my peach.
Peach?